Did you know that 76% of buyers believe first impressions are crucial when visiting a property? Even when online says 66% of buyers? Hi, I'm Darius, a realtor in Southern California. Your home needs to shine both in photos and in person to capture their interest. Let's dive right into it. Imagine walking into a home and feeling an instant connection. That's the power of a great first impression. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a welcoming atmosphere that invites potential buyers to envision their future. Let's talk about some common issues that home buyers notice instantly. From cluttered entryways to outdated paint colors, these deal breakers can turn potential buyers away before they even explore the rest of your home. The good news? Simple fixes can boost your home's appeal. Improve curb appeal, update paint, and declutter. These changes not only enhance aesthetics, but also increase the perceived value of your property. Small changes can make a big difference in perceived value. Updating the front door can add significant value, while clean windows can increase a home's perceived value by up to 10%. It's all about the details. Think about it, a fresh coat of paint, a new door handle, or sparkling windows. These minor updates can transform your home, making it more appealing and valuable to potential buyers. Addressing these issues can lead to a quicker and more profitable sale. Your home is part of your life story, presented as the beginning of someone else's new chapter. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Ready to take action? Start by making these simple changes today. By doing so, you'll not only enhance your home's appeal, but also increase its market value. Let's make your home the one buyers can't resist. Well, that's it in a nutshell. Thanks for watching, and feel free to hit subscribe, and be sure to make it a wonderful day.